friends! Welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a diagonal fold corner double pocket for day 88 of 100 Days of Pockets. I wanted to mention to you that this month is also Gratitude Collab Month. And so you'll notice that I'll be working with my printable kit called Cozy Autumn. Now, this was an actual book page that I used, and this is great fun to use up our book pages, but these tags did come from my kit. I just wanted to make sure that I mentioned that to you. Today, my friends, you're going to need a square piece of paper, a 4x4 or a 6x6, glue or tape, scissors, ink, or embellishments. Today I'm working with a 6x6, and this is actually a book page. There's a front and a back. This is the side. I thought this was so cute, and I decided this is what I wanted to use. So this is the side I want to be on the outside of the pocket. We have to fold this diagonally. Okay, so I'm not even sure how the cow's faces are going to show up once I start folding, but we'll just experiment with it and see what happens. So I'm just going to go for it, and I'm going to fold this diagonally just like this. And then the instructions say to fold one triangle point inward toward the base. So that's kind of interesting. If this was like this, then that's what I would do. And that's what I was concerned about with my images. So I'm wondering if I flip it over, there we go. Okay, so we flip it over. I must not have got an absolutely perfect square. Oh, maybe I didn't. Maybe I just folded it crooked. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so these guys are showing. And then I'm going to fold this way, and this one is sideways, but that's okay. So we fold it in like this, and now we have this fun little tuck spot here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bead of glue, and actually I'm going to glue this in two places. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm just going to add some glue right here. Close that. That way it'll stay closed. I don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to put some glue right here along the bottom of our little tuck spot. And that's, I got a lot of glue right there, so I wanted to thin that out just a little bit. All right, my friends, I've been working on creating my mini Gratitude Collab journal here. And so I was thinking it might be fun to add this pocket to this journal page. We can see that the pocket is a little bit large for that, and that is quite all right, because what I'm going to do is I will trim this edge off right here and see if we can get that part to fit. This will address the width, but then we'll address the height. But let's go ahead and do this first. There we go. I'm going to take off about 1/4 inch, and that hopefully does the job. All right, let's check the width, and then we will check the height. Okay, that's perfect. And now we will take off, don't really want to cut off too much of that cow, so I'm going to take a little bit off the bottom, which is probably going to remove my glue line. Okay, and I know that the glue is still wet, so I'm not going to run it through this because it just gets torn up when we do that. So I'm going to lay this here on my mat, which has these grid lines, and then I'm going to grab my metal ruler and I'm going to put that down, and I'm thinking I'm going to take off, I'll do the 1/2 inch here, and I'm going to grab my razor tool. All right, let's see if there was, oh, literally took off all the glue. That's quite all right. We'll put a new bead here, no problem. My journal is mini. I probably should have done a 4x4 pocket, but I didn't. I wasn't even thinking about it. I wasn't even thinking about the fact that I'm working in the gratitude journal and I wanted to add my pockets to it. So I want to mention that, guys. Cindy and I are creating a gratitude collab. I posted it for several years. I invited her to co-host with me. And so we're working on that. At the time that I'm recording this video, I don't have all the details, although by the time you see this video, all the details will be out. Okay, let's now measure the height and see what we can do. Yeah, that's going to be great. No problem there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right. I want to get it right at the bottom here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Hopefully I can get that straight. All right, let's give that a try. Try that on for size. Yep, that is perfect. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue this into place. And you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to glue the bottom, and I'm going to glue this side, and then I'm going to have a tuck here, and then I'm also going to have a tuck here. I think that's pretty cute, right? I got to remember this and this. Okay. So if you have a bunch of book pages and things laying around, you know, in your stash that you kind of want to use up, this is a great way to use up your book pages, is making pockets out of them. So something for you to keep in mind if you're trying to use up some of your stash. All right, my friends, I have a cute little tag that's going to go in this pocket, and then I have a cute little postcard that's also part of my printable kit, and that's going to go in this pocket right here. So this was super quick, super simple, but I really like it. I think it's really cute, and what a fun pocket. And if you didn't want to have an additional pocket here, just glue the whole back down, and then you wouldn't have that. But I thought, you know, why not, you know? In such a small journal, you know, like, why not add that little extra space, right? All right, my friends, please check out Cindy today if you haven't already. See what she came up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.